Alright, ladies and gents, welcome back to another video, another vlog. Today we don't have any drifting, but we are going to a car meet. Yay! So we're going to car meet. So yeah, no drifting, car meet. So we're on the way right now to pick up our buddy who is down here from North Carolina, from the Marine Corps. Shout out Marines, US military, let's go. He's visiting for a while, and it's been a long time since he's been to a Florida car meet. So we are gonna take him, we're gonna pick him up. He had a 13-hour drive, so he doesn't feel like driving. But we're gonna get him, and I guess we'll see you guys at the meet. Driving through and it smells like clutch.
What the fuck is that?
Hey, I didn't think you were gonna show.
I know, came late.
Moz is dead though.
Is it?
I'm stealing your CHP bumper, dog. It's going on mine, dog, man.
That does the Car Meet Chronicles videos.
Is that what I think it is? Is that what I think it is?
No.
Is that what I think it is?
No.
Is that what I think it is?
Stop.
Bro?
Get the
That's a fucking.
This guy's obsessed with old Camaros, and like the most ugly ones too.
Oh my fucking god.
It's ugly.
The kit, body kit on that bitch.
It's horrific.
Bro, that shit would got the fuck out of you, nigga.
Maybe.
The fuck?
Maybe.
Maybe my ass.
I'll let it. I don't want to see him. I don't want to be seen driving next to that thing.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, bro. So when I pull out with the 2002 Camaro, fuck me, huh?
Yeah. Fuck you. Give me the GoPro box. Okay.
Yeah, we should.
See, look. Look.
That's insane. Bro, get your ass face, nigga. You can bring it. I'm kidding.
Shut the hell up.
Try. Oh, it's Miata, bro. It's thing's super clean. You know Andres? Andres, remember my friend that came
With
down?
a Type R?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think that shit won't make it? You should have seen his Miata.
He lowered it? Oh, his Miata.
His old Miata, bro. Insane.
No, I never seen it.
You don't even believe
Oh,
how
bro,
much he sold it
this
for.
is sick.
Guess how much he sold that shit for?
The Miata?
Engine was almost seized. Almost. Nope. 15K. With 237,000 miles. Yep.
Was it turbo?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, bro, but guess how much you bought the turbo for? It was like a $200 kit. A little more than
All right. Hear me out.
PR Corolla?
Hear me out. No, it's not a jerk roll. But hear me out. Like that's like if I have dumb money, I'm gonna get one of those.
Okay, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Bro, that's GTA shit right there, nigga.
Literally GTA shit.
Like, you just buy that just to say you got it.
Just make a boy know you're not blow inside. Kill them with the no. Make a boy know you wanna pop in shower about inside. Kill them with the no. Just make a boy know you're not blow inside. Kill them with the no.
This also so bright, dude. Yeah. Gus, I would like Gus. Well, I can't see when I look at your car.
Yo, do you need headlights for that?
That's insane.
He's free. Oh, I get it. Yeah, bring the camera right. Yeah. Yeah. Turbo exhaust
He
right
owns
there.
my tire, that's why I'm selling him.
You guys are from heaven.
I like his rims, bro.
He's got the sound system in the back.
Where does he get the money from, bro? Look at these rims.
He's got a stock wheel in the back.
That too? Nah, he's been had that. He has to.
What?
Like that.
No, he's been known how to do that stuff.
No, I'm saying he's like, he probably had this. I feel like I've seen this.
No, he had a setup like this on his old Wrangler. His Ready engine. Same setup, but different, you know, obviously new car for that. What a nice Marin.
Where? Oh, what the fuck? I think it's called a Vantage, isn't it?
Vantage.
Nigga, bro.
But he's talking in French.
I just came from North Carolina, bro. They talk a little different out there, all right?
Vantage. Vantage.
Fucking
Papi,
Vantage,
it's a
man.
Vantage.
It's a Vantage.
I saw more than Vantage.
Hey, what do you call that thing right there?
What?
That right there.
Malibu.
Malibu.
Say it again.
Malibu.
No. Those are the flamethrowers right here.
What? I was about to say some fucking shit. I just noticed the fucking top.
What? Soft top?
Yeah. It looks brand fucking new. It looks different.
It does look brand new, actually.
No, but like the material, like it's not like that
Oh.
one. Like it looks like fucking red.
No, it's the same, I think. It's just that one's red.
That shit low as fuck.
It is red. Yeah, look at, oh, look the wing on the back of this one. It's got the R7. Not really, that's good on the name, but like the R7 style.
What?
Is that straight black or is it fucking?
No, it's black. It's just kind of dirty. You see the handprint on it. But this wing feels really good. I like it a lot.
Bro, look at this. I found this Miata, bro. If I had a Miata, I'd put this fucking hardtop on there. You know what I'm talking about?
Imagine I hit the dog. If he throws it again, I'm not getting it. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Bro, I'm addicted to Camaro. Nigga, like, what do you want me to say, bro?
You have an addiction, it's bad. We're gonna talk about it with the whole gang, all right? We're gonna do an intervention
Nigga,
for
you're
you
gonna
on
have to fucking
Camaros.
interrogate my ass, nigga.
So we're gonna have an intervention.
Like, you see.
This is Mark's GTR. And he's like in the whole group of like BMW people.
I like the color.
Come.
Oh, I've seen him in the GTR.
Or no, yeah, this one's Bayside Blue, I believe. Or there's also Miami Blue, but I think it's Bayside.
It's like it's not that dark.
Okay, you see how the front bumper is lighter? It's
Yeah.
because it has PPF on it. Frame protection.
Yeah, I know.
So
Man, why didn't you just do the whole thing? Actually, no, he doesn't need to.
right, he doesn't.
Just for the bumper.
Get some battery there.
Damn.
I love.
Mira, ponte la cámara aquí. Esa muchacha no tiene culo.
Hold on, I'm gonna say something in a second, but you see this? I love the GTRs that have that running light strip. Bro, it's so hard.
It just stays on.
Stand close enough? Yeah. It used to be like mixed colors, like black and white, gray. Yeah. What'd you say? Huh?
You see that guy over there? Give him the wrist look. Give him.
The guy on the bird's nest?
Yeah, right there. Give him the wrist look. Damn, bro. Look, he's turning towards you right now.
He's trying to look at me.
Right, nigga. He said you ugly fuck.
You're an idiot, dude. Where we at, Leon? Where we at?
Flames.
What?
Flames.
The flames?
Yeah, the flames.
Bro, this is a go-kart track. What are you talking about the planes?
No, motherfucker, those are planes, brother.
There's no fucking plane.
You sure, bro?
Yeah, but the plane. braking too hard. We're trying to cut the What's going on? You feel me? You recording?
We're going right now. You talking to this girl?
Yeah. What's going on, vlog? Get in the vlog. My forehead looks greasy. Record. Greasy. Piggy Pony.
Hey, you guys live right near Web?
Yeah.
Like right near that bitch?
Yo, I think I accidentally bumped into your bumper.
That's alright, my bumper's already.
I seen your car from like a mile away. Black and yellow. Does my hair look good, bro?
Yo, this nigga's like a whole setup is crazy.
Ah. Amazing. Amazing.
Are we having fun yet?
Yes.
Good.
So much.
Good. Well, nice to hear.
This shit is like, the quality on this shit is so good.
Yo, mira esto. Look at this. What are we doing first, bro? What are we doing?
What they do? What they do?
What is it?
They're like.
Oh, it's packs. And it's cheaper if you pick if you do these. Right now we're trying to figure out what the fuck we gonna do. You heard? We're at Elevate. Yo, bro, I'm never using that deodorant ever again, bro. That shit hurts. So we're over here at Elevate. We about to hook it up in Laser Tag. Elevate sponsor me for me. And, yo, well, what's the what?
Sponsor you for what?
I don't fucking know, nigga. Anything.
No, sponsor my race car, bro.
Yeah, sponsor his race car. Look.
A race car driver, you know. Drift.
Through the way.
Slave.
Thank you.
And the trash?
What's your Instagram? Yo, what the fuck? You saw it.
Yeah. It's so super wide right now.
Yo, make sure you follow my Instagram, LTH Nando down below, you feel me? Make sure you follow my couple's TikTok page. It's
Yeah, okay.
it's Nelani on TikTok.
Yeah, we don't know what that guy's talking about. But we're about to go to do laser tag. I don't know how I'm gonna film. Hopefully the gun is small so I can film and shoot at the same time.
First person.
Yeah. I guess we'll find out. Everybody's still paying, so we'll see how it goes.
See?
Oh my god, guys. I just found out.
I'm holding it like that. Put a laser set on. One shot, bitch!
Oh my god, it's so hot, bro. I can't. Oh.
that, baby. Rank number 1. Bro, I pay too much Call of Duty, I'm not gonna lie. Woo. Damn. I'm too good at this game, bro. Not gonna lie. How do you put this on? There was some way they had it hooked onto the vest too. Oh man. How do you put it on the vest?
Wait, what did you get?
First?
Are you sweating?
Yeah.
Yeah, literally he was a sweat. And stay there and shoot you again.
You got 5th though, so you beat Ilion from the military, bro. You beat Melanie. Bro. You beat a Marine, bro. You
How do I feel?
You beat a
Surviving, cuz, you feel me?
Oh, you're too good,
You
bro.
gotta stay positive and just stay on top of your shit and be everybody else, you feel me?
Motivational.
That's it. Yeah, for real.
Oh yeah. Ilion's a Marine and got freaking
Yeah, you suck.
got 6th place.
I don't know, I think I got some good footage. We'll figure it out. But your boy got 1st place, went 43 and 30, and I got 7,400 points. Pretty insane for having a GoPro in my hand. These guys are trash. So, we'll see.
What is going on, guys? We're about to go bowling. Christian's over there asking some questions about bowling. How you like Elevate so far? How was laser tag?
I'm tired. I busted my ass.
Nigga thought he was in Call of Duty. Trying to slide cancel and shit.
Square.
Slide canceling laser tag. Wait.
Yo, what you selling, bro?
Yo,
Low,
I
let me
got
get an
crack.
ounce, bro.
I got crack.
Crack.
Meth.
Turn around
What
then.
you need?
You
What
got
you
crack?
need? I
Turn
got crack.
around. Nah.
Brother's wildin'.
Bro, PG-13, bro.
Man.
We sell Nerf.
Reagan.
We sell Nerf guns.
You got the Smarties, bro. I want to snort some Takis.
We sell
If you want Takis,
we sell
if you want
Takis.
Takis,
We
if you want
sell
some hot shit to
Nerf
snort,
guns.
go to her.
We sell cartridge. I mean, whoa. Cakes. I mean,
You
we
like
sell suppressors.
Dynamite.
I mean,
You want to snort dynamite?
PG, bro. Nah, let's hit the ice spice.
Psych, nigga.
what?
Your boyfriend, your boyfriend, your boy.
What's in there?
All I really want is to be your.
I want to
Have
keep
you
the
ever had a
shit.
feeling that you can't deny?
All right, hold on. Keep going. Hold it. I don't know the rest. Keep going. I don't know the rest of the lyrics.
No.
I put the whole thing in the box.
I got 7% left, bro. I got like 4 batteries though.
Shade.
I know that one.
Shade. Yeah. Yo.
That's crazy. Yo, hold on, let me connect.
Snap your fingers. Do your step. You could. Who the fuck is calling me?
Who the fuck is calling?
Los Negritos. I bet you was Blackie.
Yourself, baby girl. What's your name? Let me buy you a drink. I'm teasing you. Know me. Come take me to Bowie. Come on, brothers, get up and go. Yeah, here we go. She go thick. I wanna da-da-da. Cause she's so thick.
Get low.
Yeah, bro, let's get
Listen here, Missy.
Now look up. Go change the bathroom.
What's the word? What
I
happened?
smell like Clorox. I'm tired. It's like 3 in the morning.
Nigga check his
Imaginary watch.
Why is that so dark?
There.
You see? I don't know.
Ven para acá.
Nah, turn off the lights though.
Yeah.
You can't dim this? Dim it.
Mario, get on the floor. Over here in the carpet. Over here.
Yo, you and me gotta like cut
Like this.
like this or some shit. Yeah.
Hold my foot.
Yo, we need an
Hold my foot. Yo!
Or how about, hold on. All right, right here.
Yo, I couldn't, bro. I couldn't,
I know
bro.
you niggas just capping. All I had to do was look at these faggots.
I couldn't.
I told you, nigga. I heard the.
I'm praying.